Hi everyone, Phil Rogers and Lauren Hall here from Low Market Edge. When you're planning for a mortgage, it can be easy to only focus on the biggest expense, the value of the property. And it makes sense. Home loans and deposit calculations will largely be determined by the price of the house. So when preparing your finances, it's just as important to be aware of the additional fees which may come with home buying.
These could include home loan application fees. Each lender is different. However, this could include a lender's settlement fee, the first year's annual package fee, and sometimes a loan application fee. In total, these costs could range from $200 to $1,200, depending on the lender and the type of loan you select.
The market valuation of the property. This can change from lender to lender and is sometimes included in the loan application fee. This cost can be anywhere between $200 to $500, and it can be more expensive for properties over $1 million and over a certain number of hectares.
Lender's mortgage insurance, or LMI. This is what protects the bank on the off chance that you default on your loan before you've had a chance to build up your equity. Generally, you'll have to take out this insurance if you have a smaller than usual deposit, as you'll be considered a higher risk. Depending on how much equity you have, this can sometimes be capitalised onto the loan up to a certain level. It's a big cost, so if it applies to you, then you absolutely want to make sure that you've factored it into your deposit budget.
Monthly admin fees. These occur once your loan has settled and will most likely be added to your repayments. But in some cases, these can also be annual fees. While you don't necessarily need to pay for these up front, it's always good to know what the ongoing loan fees are.
Stamp duty. This is the tax levied by all Australian states and territories on the purchase of a property. So when you buy a home or an investment property, stamp duty will be involved. The amount of stamp duty will change from state to state and from territory to territory, and it depends on a few factors. For example, the location, the purchase price, and the property purpose.
Don't forget moving fees. There are a few costs that you want to think about for the big move-in day. These include movers, or car hire if you're moving furniture yourself from place to place, cleaners, painters, pet sitters, and maybe even kid sitters. You get the gist.
Building and pest inspections. Before you move into your new place, a building and pest inspection will be done to ensure there aren't any issues with the building itself and there aren't any pests lying around that could cause damage to your new home. At approximately $400 to $500, you don't want to forget this one, as it really is money well spent.
The legal stuff. During the home loan process, you'll be using solicitors and conveyancers to prepare all of the documentation required and be the contact for the bank and the person you're purchasing the property from. We believe a good solicitor is worth its weight in gold, and it's not a cost you want to skimp on.
All of these fees and others will vary from lender to lender. The best thing about having the A-team working with you is that we will allow for all of these costs when calculating your deposit. And generally, you'll have a few spare dollars left over for a box of your favourite craft beer to celebrate. That's all for now. Chat soon.